Welcome guys, this is the channel FMCG and this is your AIML consultant Shaunak here. We will be kicking off with a new series for data visualization using Python, and to keep this video short and to the related material, so we'll be mainly focusing on pandas, matplotlib, seaborn, folium, plotly and alter. So pandas, most of you who are working with data analysis and data science must be familiar with pandas, because it is one of the basics that you need when you're into data science. So you can directly plot graphs from pandas data frame. That how to plot the graph, I'll be making a separate video for pandas. Then we'll also be looking at matplotlib and seaborn. Seaborn is built on top of matplotlib, but it provides more aesthetic graphs. Folium is a library which provides for developing leaflet maps. So if you can plot the world map, map of India, map of USA. So you just have to provide the coordinates and you can plot the maps. Also you can plot choropleth graphs. So for plotting that, you need to have a GeoJSON file. The details of that we'll be discussing in the video related to Folium. Then my personal favorite is Plotly, because Plotly provides for the range of graphs which you can plot using Plotly is wide, and also the quality of the graphs is also very good. And last one is Alter, which is related to Vega charts, so we'll be focusing on that as well. So the sequence of the videos that I'll be making is, first I will make a video on matplotlib and seaborn. After that, the video will be related to pandas, plotting the graphs using pandas data frame, then on plotly, followed by folium, and then lastly alter. That's all for this particular video series. So the next video series, if I get a good response, I'll be making video series on Tableau, ggplot, that is if you want to draw graphs based out of using R language, and then Google Sheets as well. But in this particular series, we will be focusing mainly on the popular libraries which are used by Python developers. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video where we will kick off our series with matplotlib and seaborn. Thanks.